So basically the goal of this flag is to get the version of what database is being used to maybe hack them even some more, but essentially I'm just trying to get the version of the database being used from here using SQL injection. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the site alerts. I am using Zap. Even though I'm on PortSwigger, I'm using Zap, and I'm kind of just going to see what's going on. I got that there was an error. I'm going to check it out. I'm going to check out the calls, and I used a call that had one letter for the category, which is gifts, but essentially this is where we're going to put in our SQL code, which I have like in a notepad so I don't mess it up pre-written. But essentially I am going to just insert into this request SQL code that will give me information on the page here in front of me instead of all of this stuff. So it's a union select, and this is just a test instead of the actual information, because I just need to test it that this worked first. But as you can see, now it just tells me whatever I want. It's giving me a column with A, B, C, D, E, F, which is what I asked for, and I put in that request statement. You could see the well, you can't see it here, but that was what was in the union select. So now I'm going to do the exact same thing, except this time I'm actually going to ask for the data. So again, like all SQL is different, but essentially I'm just going to ask for the version, which is pretty straightforward. And I just copy and pasted this again from wherever. It's just SQL code, but it's a union select, which is I'm asking for the view, the banner, null, and then I want to know the version, and then those two slanted. That's just how you end a statement. But yeah, after I do that, it tells me what version is being used. So that is the exploit.